Hello everyone and welcome to Toys Unlocked. Today we're going to be opening day 6 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, which has a bow on it. I noticed that there's also a bow on day 1, which is when we got Emma, the minifigure, and then there's a bow on day 15 as well. So I'm wondering if today we might find out the identity of one of the 3 mystery minifigures or mini dolls included with this set, and I'm right! There's an elf! Oh, Clarence is going to love this. Alright everyone, I think I have finally solved the mystery of the pretzel. Who else would the pretzel be for but this elf? Am I right? Think about it. Santa always gets cookies, and the reindeer get treats as well, but what do the elves get? I bet they're feeling kind of salty that they don't get the same appreciation that Santa and the reindeer do. So naturally, the pretzel is for this little elf, and oh, his head's kind of cold. So let's see how Clarence looks as a hat. Pretty dashing, but you know what might work better is just putting the actual hat that is intended for the elf. Now I do have trouble with these fiddly bits, so perfect, just like that, problem solved. And look how tiny he is. Ugh, his little arms don't move. So I don't know how he's going to pick up these bows that he brought for Emma, or how he's going to help her put them on her head. So maybe we can help her out instead. We'll pop one of these bows up into her hair and see how it looks. Now Emma can really rock some purple, but I do think it's an interesting fashion choice to have this formal heart bow with her pajamas. Now, of course, she is also wearing her pajamas with her snow boots, so I think she's just an eclectic dresser, and I admire her fashion vision. And the elf, who I think we will call Holly, because he looks like a holly, is so grateful to see that she is wearing the gift that he gave her. He looks so happy, and I'm so happy to have found him today in our LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. I hope you will all come by tomorrow to see who or what we still get to build. But before we go, I think there's one thing we have to try. And Emma is the elf now. That was fun. I think we should give her a friend, don't you? And there you go. All right, now I really will see you all tomorrow. Bye, everyone.